Hello everybody, welcome to another sound light activation on the 8th of May. So I invite you to take some time out or come back to this later if you can't do that now. So please take some deep and gentle breaths, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And really allow yourself to land in your body. Notice how your body is feeling. Whether you're feeling lively and well or not so well or any discomfort. Just really welcoming your body and honouring your body exactly as it is. The breath is really an anchor, and we can use this at any time when things may not be so easy, to just take a pause and take some deep and longer breaths, usually making the exhalation a little bit longer to quiet the mind, the nervous system, the emotions. And today I just wanted to bring in the energies of Mary Magdalene. I live in the south of France, in Quillon, which is the centre of the lands where the Cathars lived, who were Christians who were persecuted in the Inquisition and pretty much wiped out in the 14th century. And it's also the lands where the Cathars very much respected women more as equals. And this is also the lands where Mary Magdalene is said to have lived after the resurrection, crucifixion. I feel that it's all a level of mystery, and there are different versions and stories, but the rising of the divine feminine and Mary Magdalene is becoming really, really strong and important. And each of us have a divine masculine and a divine feminine within, whether we're male or female or any gender. And in our patriarchal societies over these hundreds of years, the woman has been stamped out, the divine feminine, to such a large degree. We had the Virgin Mary, but it was also a very idolized version of woman. And now we're calling back in the energies of Mary Magdalene, of the divine feminine. There are beautiful caves in this region, and also near Marseille at Saint-Baume there are sacred sites where they say Mary Magdalene was. And whether or not we believe or know this, the lands here and around our earth, our light is activating, and the waters are becoming clearer and more crystal, as are the mountains, and people wakening up. Now, the qualities of the divine feminine are about inclusion, nurturing, love, beauty, care, releasing the harshness of a world that's been dominated by competition, judgment, comparison, where you are not too old, too young, too fat, too thin, too whatever, where we are coming into connection with each other. And the teachings of Mary Magdalene are very important. I'm not remembering exactly which century, but a pope at some point declared or inferred that she was a prostitute and she was completely diminished. But there are writings coming through, or that came through, and that were discovered in the 1947, 1950s, that say she was the apostle of the apostles. And my feeling is that she was the wife of Yeshua as well. And at some level it doesn't matter, because in this here and now we are activating the qualities of love, sacredness, sacred relationships, So yeah, I invite you to tune into any parts of you that have been cast out, because basically Magdalena was cast out, and the honor of woman and the divine feminine was really, really diminished and not valued. So we're bringing those back into our lives, into our world, as the harshness and corruption is crumbling around us. So taking deep breaths, feeling into your body, and now I invite you to notice any thoughts and allow them to come and go. And let's activate our third eye, which is just behind in the center of the forehead, the pituitary and the pineal. And as I play the sounds, we're activating our light into these centers, into every cell in the body as well. Beginning the start of activating light bodies, activating optimum health. Now I invite you to tune into your heart, your emotions, and again, really being welcoming, activating compassion, kindness, that womanliness, that mothering, that gentleness that's so, so needed in our world right now. And also the honoring of all the places and parts of us where people are outcast, where there are outcast parts of ourselves. Calling it all in with love. I'm getting a visual of beautiful flowers, softness of roses, and the aroma of rose. Calling on the angels, the highest and the holiest, Magdalena, Yeshua, and activating that connection to source, to spirit, to soul, feeling that incredible infinite light. And now I'm going to play the sounds. Thank you very, very much, everyone. Let yourselves come round gradually. So let's activate the qualities of kindness, inclusion, and the divine feminine, and look into, feel into what that is, what that means. And I'm feeling the qualities of beauty, kindness, love and peace. So have a beautiful week, and thank you so much. See you next time.